problem 20. The grid below is to be filled with integers in such a way that the sum of the numbers in each row and the sum of the numbers in each column are the same. So 4 numbers are missing and the number x in the lower left corner is larger than all the other 3 missing numbers. What is the smallest possible value of x? So with the smallest possible value of x, it means that all 3 numbers are it means that the 3 numbers are close as possible. So notice here that it already tells us that the sum of the rows and the columns are 12. So we can first just test out some numbers. For example, if this was 3, this would have to be 9. This would have to be 0. And x would be 4. Now obviously that isn't the correct answer. Now we can first observe this row here. There's already a very large number 8 here. And so that means the maximum number that x could be right now if this number here was larger than or equal to 0, if it was non-negative, the largest number x can be is 4. However, then on this row, there's a very small number here. So when x is only 4, it means that this number here would be extremely large and it would be a lot larger than x. And so it looks like there's no solution here, but if you come back up to the problem description, it tells us that the grid below is full of integers, and that means integers can be negative. That means that this number here, it must be negative, because when it is negative, x is able to become a very big number. And that would allow it to be the largest number than larger the other 3 numbers. So you can do some trial and error. First, if this number in the middle is -2, this would be 6, and that would be 8. So that is still too large. So we can try -4. And now it's 6. And this number here is 7. So this is the final answer, and that means the smallest possible number of 8 is 8. Since there already is 6, 7, 8. And so there's no possible number that is smaller than 8 and x.